I'm here with Bobby.
Oh my God, Bobby G.
Bobby G. Bobby G and Jeff E. Anyway, Bobby's a very creative, very meticulous, and as well as a very respected Emmy-winning hairstylist.
A pain in the butt.
And a pain in the butt, but I think he was lovely, and there was no problem at all. Anyway, what we did for Bobby's had some work done in the past, and he just wanted a more natural result. We removed some of his old scar tissue and did some old grafts, but what I'm particularly what's the word? Want to stress is the design that we did on his hairline, and we spent a lot of time. He had some very specific thoughts. He did some, research, Bobby, and he's got a very good eye, and I like what we did on him, which is, basically had a very uniform hairline, and what we did to really break it up was to create these very pronounced, almost little collections of additional hair that break up that linearity of the hairline, more than just that typical thicker, thinner look, where it really comes down. So in addition to having a widow's peak that is off to one side, which I always like, and the hairs are growing not straight out like this, but a natural widow's peak, the hairs grow to one side. So his hairs grow like that. But then we also created these little sort of islands or peninsulas of hair that give it a more irregular look. And then we have it on this side. Similarly, we did that one here, and one here. In addition, you can see how it's receded in here. Also here it's receded in here. So it's a real irregular look. But what we did on Bobby was basically fill in all this area, get more density here. We did it mostly through a strip technique, but we also did some FUE extractions to give him some additional grafts. What would you like to add?
I'm very happy. I want to jump ahead for a year. Tick, tick, tick.